Good morning. Hey, from our view, FOV.
What's up?
We got another special room tour for you guys today.
Gang gang.
Hey, so we are in Las Vegas, Nevada.
Nibby.
Nevada.
Nibby.
I don't know which one. I want to know which one.
Nibby.
Okay, well, here we are in Nibby, Las Vegas. We want to show you guys our room. And yeah, let us know what you guys think of our room below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. It will really help us out. Don't forget to hit the like button. You know, it'll really help us out with the YouTube
Notification
algorithm.
button.
Oh yeah, hit the subscribe.
Hit the bell.
Hit the bell. Let us, so that way you guys get notified whenever we drop a new video. You know what I mean? So, and yeah. But without further ado, we about to show you our room.
Let's go.
Hey. Hey. Alright, so we're about to show you guys the room. Let me show you what room we have. We're in room number 1898. So, welcome to our room. When you first walk in, that nice little full body mirror situation going on right here. So, you know, you walk in and be like, okay, this is what I was looking like when I walked out. This is what I look like when I come back.
Damn.
So, this is one of those random doors, you know.
Don't touch it. It was good the way it was because we don't know which one is the unlock and the lock. And yeah, that's how it was. We don't need that. Absolutely not. Okay. I'm not that type of person.
All right, well, we're just gonna leave it. So, let me show you guys around our place. First things first, when you walk in, you know, you got a crazy door over here. Then you gotta have your ice bucket, you know what I mean? Because you need some ice. You gotta walk all the way down the hall. Like, we all the way at the very end of the hall, y'all. Like, it's like a mile.
It's like a half a mile, but it's a real half a mile.
It's a real half a mile to get down here. Like, my fitness tracker just like, damn, boy, go. But, yeah, so we got the ice bucket here. We got his cup so we can, do that situation. We got plenty of cabinet, door space. You know what I mean? Let's see if we got any. Nothing to hear, y'all. All right. Damn. You know, I got to check for us, man. One of these days, I swear, one of these days we're gonna find something in one of these drawers. I swear. And right here, we got a nice little mini fridge.
Mini fridge.
Miss America has some kind of option there.
No, it's a salad, and because this fridge doesn't have a way to change the temperature, everything is frozen in it.
Well, I don't know about y'all, but her salad is brown. I don't know if you guys eat brown salad.
No, let me see.
Comment down below.
Let me see.
No,
You capping.
No,
let me see. My salad is not brown.
This shit is brown.
Let me see.
What is it? Oh, it look brown from over there.
Exactly. Not brown. Green.
Let me know if y'all will eat that.
It's for me to eat, not for you to be trying to say it's brown.
It don't look edible.
Doodoo brown.
Continuing on. We also have another mirror over here. This is like the little workspace area. So we can pull up here, get some, professional work done, stuff like that. I need to edit some more videos and do some stuff over here.
Oh, tell them about the thing.
Oh yeah, so, whenever we come into a hotel, we normally like to hook up the laptop to the TV and stuff like that so we can able to watch what we want to watch on YouTube or whatever. And the first night we were struggling because I'm pulling the TV off. Like, I don't want to break it, like, outside the wall. I was like, dang, I can't find the HDMI nowhere. So the first night was a dud. But we actually found this whole compartment right here. It's crazy. They got HDMI, USB, wall charger.
So no need to plug it directly into the computer. You just plug it into the cabinet.
Yeah, exactly. So that's really dope. And there's no wires around here too, so it looks really clean and neat. So yeah, shout out to the hotel for that. So over here, we normally save this kind of version for last, but honestly, this is not the best part of our room. Miss America will show you guys the best part of the room. But we have our nice little lounge situation right here, you know. These sofas right here, super comfortable. This is the his and the hers right there, you know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about, nice little table right here situation. You know, you drink a little cocktail, you know, glass it up, toast it up. And yeah, you know, it's cool. I sit down now and I don't feel like getting up. This feels really nice right here.
You gotta get up, so I want to show my part. You gotta get up.
Okay, I gotta get up.
I need my part to go.
Okay, all right. Well, let me get up.
Where's my beer?
Hold me. So, like we said, we're in Las Vegas, y'all, and you know we got a beautiful view of Nevada. We have the mountain ranges in the background. You can see some of the other hotels like Planet Hollywood, New York, the Hilton, and a bunch of other hotels as well too. Beautiful view. Yeah, nice big, giant, spacious window. And you know, I always want to know if this was true, guys. Have you guys seen the movie Hangover? That was one of my movies. That one was hilarious. And I remember like at the end they were trying to find dude or whatever, and it was like, dang, he couldn't have got out the window because you know in Vegas they don't be having open windows. So anyway, we here in Vegas, and I'm looking at the sticker right here, and they at least let you know the doors open 1 inch only for outside air. I'm like, yo, we have a whole balcony, little mini balcony situation.
Entire
you know what I mean?
balcony.
Yeah, like this joint trying to smooth, but I'm gonna let you know, I'm not fitting through here. I can't squeeze through here. My hands could barely fit through here. I need some lotion. What happened? Anyway, this is our window and our balcony and everything like that. And then we have our bed.
Voila. Magic.
Voila. Magic. Oh look, here's my lotion right here. Anyway, this is the bed, y'all. Hey, what do you think? Is this queen or king? I think it's a queen.
No, I think it's a king. We had so much space. We were so far apart on the bed. I didn't like it.
Yeah,
For real, I think it's a king. It was so far away.
It probably is a king.
I had to keep rolling back to you.
Oof, yeah.
Did you just put that on your face?
I did.
Is that our lotion or this place lotion? Oh, okay. I'm about to say you don't do that
This
now.
is that shea butter, baby. You know
Okay,
what I mean?
yeah, we're good with that.
So, over here on this side, Mr. Miracle speaking on this side, but we have the nice, lamps right here. The lamps have a USB port and a charger port here. And we have a nice little alarm clock.
We've never used because Apple controls our alarms already.
Shout out Apple. What's up with that sponsorship, though? Anyway, let's check the drawers here. Did we check the drawers here?
Yeah, there's nothing in it. I didn't put my stuff in there.
Got empty. Okay, so nothing there. Let's check my side.
Okay.
I also like the nice little bench area right here. And so that way, if you're outside all day long doing a bunch of stuff, you don't want to just hop in the bed with your dirty.
Like you just said in our bed with your dirty butt.
Anyway.
On my side of bed.
You got a hole right here.
So you're not gonna sit on your side?
Nah.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
And of course, I brought the ironing board out here because, I just wanted to make sure that we were looking, ironed up and good for y'all, you know what I mean? And, it's better than that freaking steamer. Better than the steamer. But anyway, guys, that is the first part of our room. Hope you guys enjoy. We got a lot more to show you. We're going to switch it around.
Switch it around.
Switch it up.
Hi, y'all.
Hey.
Hi, y'all. Welcome. So, this is Miss America. I'm here to show y'all the grand finale of the room because, I love the bathrooms. I love giving y'all the tour of the bathroom, so y'all got to come with me, okay?
All right, we with you.
So, first things first. The jacuzzi.
Ooh.
Yeah, so we got a nice jacuzzi.
Ooh.
It's not jetted, but it is nice, especially considering, I think in Vegas at a certain time when it's considered winter, they don't like it in no pools, even if it's an indoor pool. So we wanted something that we could swim in and relax in and be in some water. So we got a room here with the jacuzzi. And it's not many in Vegas that have the jacuzzi in it.
Yeah.
So we got that. They set the towels here, the conditioner, the bars, and all that other stuff. The shampoo that we can make some fake bubbles.
Ooh.
Because we didn't bring our bubbles this time.
I know.
Yeah, who we flew in on, so they don't allow.
You know what?
Yeah,
hey, at least we're going home cool. All right, anyway.
Yeah, you hear me? But yeah. So this is E-Money Ball's side.
Yes, sir.
This is his
So look how
side.
clean this joint look right here. Look at that, shining, 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 shining. No, okay, look. All right, go ahead.
You ain't gonna get your little coin?
What are you talking about? Y'all see that speaker? Let's go.
Alright, so this is his side. He has his own little joint. So these don't even open.
They don't open?
But the good thing about here, even though the cleaning housekeeping does come every single day, they load you up so you don't ever have to call them, honestly. So you have a whole bunch of towels, a whole bunch of washcloths, a whole bunch of the cloths that's in between. I don't never know what they call, but the ones that's not too big.
Hand towels?
Hand towels.
I got you, babe.
I never use them. I use them for my hand. I use them for when everything needs to be a little bit bigger than a washcloth. So then he has this huge mirror, so we ain't gotta use the same mirror or nothing. And y'all know this is one of my favorite parts of the whole joint, because y'all know I love me a bathroom where the toilet, the pooper is separate from everything else. So here we are. This the pooper. You got, you ain't got no booty washing here, but you do have a trash can. You got a toilet. You got the frosted joint so you can't see nobody when they taking the pooper. So the frosted door right here. Yeah, let's see. Bye, y'all. Hi, y'all. So we here. We in there. Okay. So then, another good thing about this bathroom is the shower.
It's super lit, not gonna lie.
The shower is nice. It's the raindrop. It ain't got two heads like our usual. It's got one head, shower head. But it got two doors. Because, we like two of stuff in the back. Oh, it's a pool. Two things.
Yeah.
Two things. So here we are. So I come in this big joint right here. You hear me? And then you got the shower head right here. You got the hot and cold, and the way they differentiate the hot and cold, they got a picture of the sun and a picture of a snowflake.
That's what that was? Hey, young, wait.
Yeah, that's a snowflake. Can you see it? You guys zoom in. Yep, there's a snowflake, and then this is like the sun, so that's how you know it's a hot to the cold.
That's so subtle.
That's
Look at
why-
you. Look at you, Mr. America, with the details.
Just like the other hotels and resorts we stay in, they always put the shower, the towels and all that other stuff in here too. But the good thing is the shower is so far away from that little bench that the towels and stuff don't get wet.
About time.
Thank you.
About time.
Ain't
Good
gotta
job,
worry about
y'all.
having a wet towel in here. All right, on to the next section. Push.
I swear to get you every time.
So this is the second door. So he could enter and exit out his side if he wants to. Don't never have to come on my side. And I enter and exit out my side. And I put my towel and all that on this door and on the floor. So this is my side. Welcome, y'all. Okay. Welcome. Welcome. Okay. So this is where I wash my hands, my face, on both sides of the room in the jacuzzi. They had shampoo. They had lotions. They had body lotion, facial balls, body balls, all that other stuff. On my side, I have a full area for my towels and my washcloth and my hand towels too. And then they got some Angel Soft wipes on here and a hair dryer. So they must have knew this was gonna be the lady side because they ain't put
It's definitely the lady side. This is
no
definitely.
hair dryer on your side.
They put the pooper side on the man's side. What are they? What were they
Y'all
thinking?
don't be doing nothing else. Y'all don't be doing nothing else but pooping and doing your little hair. Don't be doing nothing else. So then we over here. This is my favorite. This is my favorite part, y'all. Look. This is my favorite part right here. So look. Y'all know I love this.
Oh yeah, it's the pimple.
The pimple
finder.
Yeah. So I use this for everything. And oh my gosh, it helped me with my eyelashes the other day. So fast, so sweet. But I can put all my makeup over here. I ain't gotta worry about clogging up my whole wash area to wash my hands when people come over and hang out with us. I ain't gotta worry about moving all my makeup and stuff from the hand wash to there. I got my whole little own vanity. So listen, this is how I do it. I pull my little seat out. Put my seat in. And then I do the makeup. And then I finish. The pimple popper. Put it back. And then our friend was here, so she had used our ottoman. But other than that, this is my favorite, y'all. This is my favorite.
This joint was lit.
It was lit.
I'm not gonna lie. This is a dope bathroom. Like we got to see a whole lot.
Dang.
Oh, almost forgot this. What's behind these doors?
Oh yeah, the main part we always be talking about. So this where he got the arm from. This where we stick our dirty clothes at. So, all my dirty clothes down here on the floor. All his dirty clothes up here on the top.
Don't mind it. Don't mind it, y'all. Look. Okay, that was enough. Okay, bye.
Shut up. So, no, but on this side you still have the lock, key lock for your stuff if you want to put your jewelry and stuff in here. So yeah, so any of your valuables and your rings and all that other stuff, we just put it over there.
Right.
So tell us what y'all like. What's your favorite place to visit when y'all come to Vegas?
Yes.
Do you like it because the room is nice? Do you like it because it's a big resort and you offer a lot of shows and stuff? Why do you like it?
Yeah.
Because we're gonna come back.
Yeah, we definitely gotta come back to Vegas. I will say there's so many other hotels that we were recommended to go stay at and do. Huh?
Should've went.
I mean, yeah.
Our room is fire.
Yeah, our room is fire. Our room is fire. You know what I mean? But there's so many other places in Vegas to stay at that are a little bit more modern, updated, and stuff like that. But yeah, let us know where you guys like to stay at in Vegas. If you guys ever been to Las Vegas before, where did you guys stay? What was your experiences like?
And when's the last time you went, so we get a time frame of how everything is going for you?
Yeah, because definitely there's a lot of things happening here. Like we just saw the. Well, I mean, you guys make sure you guys check out our. Yeah, wait, we about to. Yeah, like look, like we got a whole bunch of other videos to show you guys. So that just fumble, y'all?
No, you back.
Oh, we're back. So make sure you guys check out our other videos. Check out our Las Vegas vlog, and yeah, check out our other videos like the Mexican vlog over there, showing y'all in the background over there. Check out our African vlog, which will be out. Make sure you guys check that out. The Dar es Salaam video.
It's gonna be fire.
Dar es Salaam, Zanzibar. And then yeah, check out Jamaica. So we got a lot more coming. This was just a little mini getaway, you know what I mean? You know, shout out to my mans, you know what I mean? We came out here for his birthday. Shout out John and Bianca.
Yes.
Yeah, you know,
happy birthday!
Hey.
And happy soon to be wedding.
Oh yeah. They're gonna be married soon. So we came out for them. We had a great time with them yesterday and everything like that. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe to our video. And, you know, if you like our video, you know, it really help us out with the algorithm and supporting us. We really greatly appreciate that. And then our subscribers, you know, I don't know, we might be at 1,000 subscribers by this time.
You hear me? Because we met our goal of 500 just before this video.
Thank you guys so much.
In 3 months.
Yeah, in 3 months we already hit 500 subscribers. That means so much to us. Like that's super amazing, guys. You guys are lit. Thank you guys so much for joining the FOV family, FOV gang. Mm-hmm. That's awesome. Can't wait to show you guys some more videos. Take you guys around the world with us. We have so many other places that we're about to go to. So yeah,
next year is gonna be super hard.
2020.
It's a lot going on.
2021. Yo, I hope the world open back up. But anyway, thank you guys again so much for watching. We love you guys so much. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next vlog.
Bye, y'all.
Peace.